Afternoon, guys. I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters and the Pathfinder School, back with another quick tip on how to hang your hammock. Stay with me. Okay, we all know that there are lots and lots of different suspension systems out there for hammocks. One thing that you really want for your hammock, if you don't have it already, is a static ridge line within the hammock. And what that does is it allows you to pull that line tight and you have the same exact hang in your hammock every time. So you're not fussing with adjustments linearly to get the hang correct. Now, once you have that, you have to attach to the trees. And with this hammock, it just happens to have simple type attachments and carabiners. And then I just have two straight tree straps here. There are lots of fancier options out there on the market, but I'm going to show you how to use this one very, very effectively and very easily to get that tension on that middle ridge line. Stay with me. All right, so this just has a loop in one end and a flat strap on the other. And so we're gonna wrap around this tree, avoiding the poison ivy, and get that thing up about head level, pull it down tight just like this. And then we're going to use our first attachment here. Okay, we have our ends color coded with our carabiners so that we know which end is the head and which end is the foot. We're gonna take that strap and we're going to make a simple marline spike hitch in that strap and put our carabiner in that and tighten it down on the carabiner on one side. Now, once we've pulled our hammock out to the extended position, you can see this orange Dyneema ridge line in there, and that's what we want to pull tight. So now what we're going to do is we're just going to take this line and we're going to go through our carabiner 2 times. So we're basically making a round turn in that carabiner, and then we're going to pull it tight and it's going to self-lock. And then we're just going to come in here and put a half hitch in there for security, a slippery half hitch, and we have our hammock set to the proper hang every time. Okay, so with that setup, I know that when I get in this hammock, it's going to be about chair height, and that's exactly what I'm looking for. This static ridge line and this setup of tightening the hammock is very, very simplistic, but it gives me repeatability over time, which gives me the same type of sleep night after night after night. Now, here's the important thing. Not only is this thing very easy to put up, it's also very easy to take down. Just simply pull that thing out and it will come loose all by itself. Very, very easy. Then all I need to do is run my hammock back into this bag, pull the marline spike off the other side, wrap up my straps, and I'm out of here in less than 5. All right, guys. Well, again, I'm Dave Canterbury with Self-Reliance Outfitters and the Pathfinder School. Appreciate you joining me out here for another quick tip this week. We appreciate your views and appreciate your support. We thank you for everything you do for our school, for our family, and for our business. All our sponsors, instructors, affiliates, and friends, and either myself or one of my instructors will be back with another quick tip as soon as we can. Thanks, guys.